What's up YouTube, Crafty Cars here, happy Friday. So in my last RC video, I showed off a Lego Technic set that I got for my birthday. I'm super excited to put this thing together. What it is a 1/10 scale rally car that you can also build as like a buggy type vehicle. And I got an LED lighting kit for it as well. I asked you guys in the comments if you wanted to see a video, time-lapse style video of me assembling this thing. And everybody in the comments said yes, so it's gonna be a while, but I know I'm gonna want to do this all in one sitting. So here goes nothing.
I won't never sell my soul, and I can take that. And I really wanna know where you at. I was set back, where the stash at? Cruise the city in a bulletproof Cadillac. Cause I know these niggas out there where the bag at. Gotta move smarter, gotta move harder. Nigga try to give me 5 mile water. I lay his ass down on my son, on my daughter. I had the Draco with me, Dwayne Carter. A lot of niggas out here playing they ball. I done put my whole arm in the rim, Vince Carter. And I know Poppy get a key for the quarter. Shawty better skin double C's, I bought her. Got a bitch that's looking like a little, she a model. I got the pink slip off my whip, list. Cause I'm about to get the key to the city. Patty, lighter, forgetting out the coupe at the lot. Going for a 12 fuck swat. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn field. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so got the cash out. Told him wipe a nigga no. Say slash. I won't never sell my soul, and I can take that. And I really wanna know where you at. I've been moving them out, and stealing with me, then he got the blues in the pouch. To the forest with the wood in the mouth. Bitch don't wear no shoes in my house. The private I'm flying in, I don't wanna fly again. I take my chances in traffic. She sucking on dick, no hands with it. I just made her rolling clean like a landing strip. I'm a 2020 president candidate. I done put 100 bands on Zimmerman shit. I been moving real gangster, so that's why she make a grip. Shawty call me Crystal, cause I pop my shit. Got it out the mud, there's nothing you can tell me. Yeah, when I had a job, South Street wealthy. Yeah, I had the coupe in the lot. Going for a 12 fuck swat. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn field. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so got the cash out. Told him wipe a nigga no. Say slash. I won't never sell my soul, and I can take that. And I really wanna know where you at.
Alright, so I just finished putting this thing all together, and it took way longer than I thought. I figured I'd be able to do it in one sitting, but in reality it took 8 hours. So I apologize that we didn't get this video out on Friday, so it's probably going to be Saturday night when I get this thing published, get everything edited and posted, but I am more than happy with the end result. The hours that I put in are more than worth it, and I'm about to show you why. So there you have it. And I gotta say, I love how this thing turned out. The first thing I'd like to talk about is just how big this thing actually is for a Lego set. To give you a little scale size, here's a banana. Here's a can of spray paint. Here's it next to a Coors Banquet, a glass of Fairlife chocolate milk, and a box of Kraft macaroni and cheese. Now I'll talk about all the impressive details. So here you see it's got an opening hood. You got the cooling fans inside, and you can see that it's got full suspension. It's double wishbone suspension, just like a Honda Civic, so that's pretty cool. And then you can actually turn the wheels. It's got a working rack and pinion, which is sweet. You look inside, you got a steering wheel, you got 2 racing bucket seats, a roll cage, and then in the back it gets really cool. You got this really big, massive spoiler on there, and you can lift up the entire trunk, and that lifts up the flaps on the side as well. And you can take a look at that engine, as well as the exhaust and the rear suspension. And one of the really cool parts about that engine is it's attached to a gearbox that's attached to the wheels, So then when you turn the wheels, you can see that the pistons move up and down. And I absolutely love that. So once again, thank you for tuning in to Crafting Cars. If you enjoyed what you see, don't forget to drop a fat like on this video. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or concerns, or maybe if you want to see another video. I do have an LED lighting kit for this thing, so if you want to see these lights get lit up, that's going to be a whole project in itself, but I plan on doing that in the future. So if you'd like to see that video, maybe leave a comment or something. Don't forget to tell your friends and subscribe if you haven't already. I might do another Lego build, maybe do it a live session one of these days. But for now, that's all. Very happy with this Lego car, like I said. And I think that's all I got. See you next week, hopefully Friday. And bye-bye.